Okay, now it's serious. Scammers worldwide are gonna hate me for telling you this. This method is an easy way to avoid most online scams, and that includes courses, bootcamps, and other get-rich-quick in UX schemes. It's all about the testimonials. Of course, testimonials are important to establish something called social proof. That means that you're not the first one taking the bootcamp or the course. It's a lot easier to decide to pay someone if you see their previous happy customers. They took all the risks, so what they say is important to you. Now, everybody does that. We have a testimonials section on all our course pages as well. The existence of testimonials and the idea of social proof is good at its core. It is, however, very often misused by bad actors. Let me give you an example. Someone reached out to me on Twitter a while ago saying they can help me invest my money at an insane yearly return. Of course, when there is an insane return, you already know it's a scam, but I played along just to see how they'll try to sell it. When asked what I do, I said I make apps and websites because it's a bit easier than just saying designer, because designer can be a lot of things. Of course, he lit up and he said that we have a website too. Here, see how many people are already on their dream vacation not worrying about work. So I went to the site and looked at the testimonials, and it was like a cheap WordPress site, by the way. The first one was David, saying that he changed his life around completely because of that investment. Nice, good for you, David. Now, here's the exciting part. David is a black man wearing a vest. A simple Unsplash.com search revealed that it's not really David, but a model from a stock photo website. And free one at that, so they didn't even invest to buy the photos. It was exactly the same with Lucy, a mother of two from New York, and Mark, an older gentleman from the UK. I found them all on the same free stock photo site. Now, knowing this, you have a powerful weapon in your internet adventures. You can use it on design bootcamps and courses as well. It's not only something you do for testimonials, but you can check the instructors their way too. I have literally seen instructors of online courses being made up people with stock photos and fake names. Here is an example how to test this. This is Michał Malevich. Guy does some courses and books and yeah. But does he even exist? After typing the name into Google image search, you can see that it does mostly find the right person. Of course, there are others with the same name, but it finds anything, I guess it checks out. So I exist, yay! You can also do this search the opposite way. Grab a photo from a website and use it to search Google. You can then find out if that person in the photo has the same name that it says on the website. If it links to a stock photo site, you know they're lying. Check both the instructors and the testimonials. Even if just one is fake, it means they're a little bit dishonest, and that should be a red flag for you. Now you know. In a way, it's all about doing research even before you get to the UX research part. And most of that research is surprisingly easy if you know where to look. There are some great bootcamps and courses out there that can teach you a lot. And I just don't want any of you awesome people giving cash to scammers. Hopefully this technique will help you pick the best product for you. All the best and have a great day. Cheers.